Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Friday the 9th of October. So looking at the markets, well, before I look at the markets, as ever, looking at event risk, there's not a lot there. Employment change this afternoon at 1:30 for Canada, unemployment rate. So that is it for the day, really. We've already had the financial stability report out from Australia. So let's look at the technicals in that case. So euro dollar, and well, the euro's bumping along here. It's triple topped now in this sort of near-term price action. Can it push through? Well, possibly. It still will have resistance at 1791 sort of area, that 4-hourly 200. If it can push on through, the movements have been quite controlled and tight. Running through this market yesterday when it did bottom out there, bottomed into the 200, never made a new low, didn't break the prior lows there, struggling. Well, I say struggling, but it's just ranging. So you can see I say the reason, but part of the reason is this monthly pivot, possibly prior highs. It doesn't really matter, but it's been finding resistance, just coming on into some support into its 60-minute 21 here, and had a bit of a bounce. True strength of this move will be measured if it can break these prior highs. If it can get back above that 1782, it's got some potential. But where to? It's going to be running back into resistance. That 118 area may provide some quite firm resistance above. So could be another choppy-ish, I say choppy-ish day, but low ranging day. The pound, it's not done too much more even in terms of ranges. It's still amazingly buoyant, bearing in mind the Brexit chat and talk that's been going on in the background of things, and it seems like any sell-off can be bought back into fairly soon. That's the pattern at the moment, and it's continuing with these sort of high lows, higher highs pattern running through. And as I say, yesterday's correction there in late morning gradually just got brought back into, so nice move, just straight back up at the moment, just running into double tops here. Daily pivot looks like it's been just nicked, so maybe that's ticked off, but just need to watch for this morning. Again, these highs are into pretty close body highs back to yesterday's, so may just find a bit of say further resistance from here, but it does seem to be there's not a lot to hold it back. It's not dashing off, it's been contained a bit. I mean, it's not past this 130 area, but it's, as I say, it's doing amazingly well, bearing in mind all the stuff that's going on in the background here. So really it's a buy on dips on the pound for me. Yen, well, it's yesterday it's one of the smallest days we've seen for literally, well, certainly this month, and maybe it's even smaller than last month's tiny little day there, but there we are. It's a very tight range. It's not really moving too much. You can see how tight on this 4-hourly it was, or has been. A bit of a sell-off, but regained. I'll stand clear of it basically. At some stage, yeah, I'm sure it's going to fly, and it could continue pushing up as in the shape it is with the higher lows, but really, as from a day trading perspective, it's just not worth a look. Aussie dollar, well, it's sort of recovered a little bit again yesterday, pushed up, sort of this continuation of the recovery that we'd seen from last week, where it's been pushing up. It did look a bit mucky with the lower highs, or the double top that came in rather earlier in the week, but it's been steadily, once again, it's one of those just very slow and working its way back upwards, and it has got an untouched daily pivot below. If it was to start rolling over, maybe that'd be a target, but for now it remains bullish. Okay, let's quick look at let's look at the CAD first. Canadian dollar saw quite a move yesterday. Actually, it was the strongest yesterday, leading into towards the close of the day. Bearish pivot swing for the US dollar, bullish in terms of the Canadian dollar here, and we're seeing that push on through at the moment. In fact, let's just look at oil, because oil did get a bit of a kicker yesterday, and it's pushed through this area which it's really struggled with of late. Through the daily 50, 200 was there as well. Higher lows confirmed through into yesterday, pushing through. Bit of a mixy old day, but I was looking this earlier in the week and it looked like, well, it had some potential, but certainly has gone, and yeah, sitting back into the area which I might have expected to be in. This is early in the week I was looking at, and there you go, it broke it. It was quite dull for quite some time, but yesterday, just as I said, caught the bid, and it's sort of sitting back in that territory of well, probably where it will be for a while. It may push up again, but I think it's going to be hard pushing beyond the $50 area for some way yet. Okay, that's it for me. I wish you a great day. Bye for now.